Hey, greetings. Victor Beatty here. Today I'm here with Karen Hayden, and Karen is here to share with us how BankSmart strategies that her and her family have implemented have dramatically changed their financial landscape. Thanks for dropping in today, Karen.
Thanks for having me by.
Good, good. I guess the first question is, when were you first introduced to the BankSmart strategies?
About 18 months ago, when we were in Southern California at a financial planning seminar, during our lunch break, two financial planners approached us, talked about the strategies, provided us with a DVD, which we took home, and we reviewed the DVD, and were introduced to a lot of different concepts, and we just thought it was too good to be true, so we put it aside.
Wow, so when you heard about interest cancellation, mortgage acceleration, arbitrage, elimination of non-preferred debt and interest, what did you think about all that?
We thought it was a great idea, but we just weren't sure how it was all coming together and how it could really help us in our situation until a trusted friend introduced us to it again, and we were able to go to a seminar and have an analysis run on our situation.
So you had the analysis run, and what did that tell you?
The analysis showed us that currently we had 27 years remaining on our 30-year fixed loan, and that instead of paying 27 years, we would have our mortgage paid off in 7 years and saving us over $220,000 in future interest.
Wow.
So it was huge for us to have that done, and it was changing the whole concept of our retirement. If we could actually have our mortgage paid off in 7 years, we could pay ourselves and build our own accumulation of wealth so that we can retire at a younger age.
Wow, good thinking. Now, I've got to let you know that Karen's husband is actually one of the top financial planners in the Bay Area. And you know, I'm interested to know, I know that Greg could probably do all this stuff in his sleep, but did the BankSmart strategies make a difference to him? Was there something that gave him an aha piece there?
Well, his whole concept of it was that if we can have our mortgage paid off in 7 years, put two kids through high school and college, that we would be able to build our retirement at a quicker pace than if we had our mortgage for another 27 years. So it was key on our financial strategies for future retirement.
And you didn't have to refinance?
We didn't have to refinance, and it wasn't changing our month-to-month living. It wasn't going to cost us more money or change our lifestyle.
Wow, that's awesome. And so how are you doing? How long have you been in the program now?
We started the program in January, so it's been 12 months. And like I said, we had 7 years to pay off our mortgage, but through the last several months, we were able to get down to only having 5 years remaining on our mortgage, because once you utilize the concept and you're working with the program, it actually helps you with your budgeting and putting stagnant money to use for you. So you kind of get to supercharge the whole thing, and we're so excited about the program, how it's working, that we were able to knock off another 2 years just in the last 12 months. So now we're going to have our mortgage paid off before we're 50.
Wow. That's awesome. You know, that's got to be a great feeling.
It's awesome.
Yeah. The other piece that you have to look at here is, you know, you say you didn't change your lifestyle. How much time does this take? I mean, this must be pretty complicated.
I probably spend 15 minutes altogether in a month's period, and I go through it about every week and a half just to make the changes on the assets and the debits, and it's just a no-brainer. It's just so simple that it's easier than balancing a checkbook. It does everything for you. You just have to confirm what you've done with your money.
You know, I like to call the system either a financial GPS, you know, because it really is. We know that life isn't static. Things happen.
That's right.
And so you're able to go into that system and actually make changes at the time that they're actually happening in your life. And that's one of the things that I love about it.
That's right. It moves with your life, and so it's a nice piece of information that you can find out. If you want to purchase a large, like a vehicle, you can get a true cost out of it and see how much more it's going to add on to your months to pay off. And so it helps you with decision making so that you make the right decision.
Awesome. So sounds like you're really happy with the system.
We love the system.
What, any ahas, anything you'd like to share with the people before we log out here?
Just the fact that we're going to have our mortgage paid off before we're 50, and our kids are going to be through college, and the aha is that the bank's not going to win. We get a win.
There you go. There you go. So you're going to have your home paid off, kids through college. I imagine because the system's set up this way, you're going to be totally debt-free by the time that you're 50. Own your home outright. Folks, you know what? If you've never heard of these concepts before, again, if you're looking to get a loan, if you have a loan, if you're thinking about refinancing, you need to find out about BankSmart concepts before you make a move. Please fill out your information, come in and visit us, and a member of the BankSmart team will get back to you as soon as possible. Go out and make it a great one.